Colonel Lambertus Steyn from the police's cold case unit will continue to give evidence in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial today. Yesterday, he revealed shocking details from Kelly Khumalo's cell phone records. He's told the court that Khumalo received 2 calls from Fisokuhle Ntuli, who is accused number 5 in the trial. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi is covering this case for us, and he joins us live. Linda, good morning. No overstating what a bombshell testimony it was yesterday.
Absolutely, Michelle, given the fact that we already know from the state's version, of course, that they don't intend on bringing Kelly Khumalo to testify in their case. So it makes really for an interesting development, given that this evidence that was placed on record yesterday by Col Steyn is the state's evidence, which now reveals that Kelly Khumalo, who was intimately involved with Senzo Meyiwa, may have or did in fact have contact with the alleged, one of the accused in fact in this matter, that is Fisokuhle Ntuli, who's represented by of course advocate Zandile Mshololo. Those records being read of course out in court because he details how he had to analyze some of the data that he was asked to analyze, which also, of course also includes getting data of the accused persons, as well as establish a possible link between the accused with the people who were inside the house at that time. And it's quite interesting that these calls that were made happened in August 2014 and again on the 15th of October 2014. That's just days, Michelle. The last call was just days before Senzo Meyiwa was actually killed, shot and killed in Vosloorus. You'll remember that he was killed or was shot and killed on the 26th of October. So you're counting a few days really after that call had come in. And this brings question around the state's strategy really, given the fact that Kelly Khumalo is not also on the dock as one of the accused persons, but it also says it will not bring her to testify in this case. It seems the state believes that it would be able to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt without the assistance of Kelly Khumalo. But we've heard from the defense saying that they will make an application to have Kelly Khumalo brought in court. What is unclear is when exactly that application will be made, because you'll remember after the state's case, the defense can decide whether or not they ask to use Kelly Khumalo in their own defense. But they've told us about an application, or rather told the court about an application that they will make to compel Kelly Khumalo to come and testify in this court.
And of course that case continues with Steyn back on the stand today. Linda Mnisi live to us there at court. Thanks very much indeed for that update.